about to put on some roll-on adhesive on my lip. Hey you guys, it's Shundara. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, we're doing slime. Chooses my makeup. This thing is really huge. I didn't realize it had so many slimes in it. Like, look at this, you guys. Once I took out all the mixes, this is what we have left. I mean, just a hot mess. Like, really? This video is going all left. Oh, please, slime. Don't do me dirty. Here we go. What color? Purple. This is giving Barney already. So cute. Oh my god, I cannot believe I'm about to look like Barney. Girl, this is cute. This is cute. This is giving not Barney. I'm giving purple genie tease. Rub my lamp and get a wish. Next is lips. Let's rub my magic lamp and see what I get. You better be a good slime slurp. What is it? Silver? Oh my god. Silver slime. It's giving. Okay, so my lips are gonna be silver. This is ugly. Oh no, no. Why? Now someone's gonna ask me how I'm gonna do these glitter lips. Girl, you about to see. I'm about to put on some roll-on adhesive on my lips. What is this stuff? Is horrible. Is this supposed to go in the mouth? It says do not use on broken skin. Oh, this may have been bad because you're not supposed to use this on your lips. I wasn't thinking. This stuff is burning. Oh my god. Oh, I should have used glue. Oh my god, this smells like alcohol. Couldn't find no clear glue, so I just continued to roll on. Oh, I can't believe we done it. Oh. So I have loose glitter here, and we're just gonna like I cannot. It's really glitter. It's like everywhere, y'all. We make it a cute look. Oh, let's go ahead and do eyeshadow next. Magic genie here. I'm a genie in a bottle. Please. What is it? Oh, y'all just want me to look like Baby Bop now. Okay, I see what's going on, slime. You don't want to help me. Now, Baby Bop. Let's do some ASMR with slime. Y'all hear that? This is actually good slime. Come through Nickelodeon Amazon slime. You know, people review slimes and they literally tell you how they move and bend. If you buy it for your kids, it won't get on the carpet. It won't stain the carpet. This is grade A slime. Like, let's do the clothes test. I'm telling you, people be putting it. Oh, never mind, girl, never mind. Oh, Baby Bop, where art thou, Baby Bop? This color is blush, so if I get a good blush, this go pop, girl, this go pop. What is it? Oh, pink! Oh, today is my day, hey! Look at that. This would have been such a cute look if I actually got this color for foundation. If we blend this in, this may work. This may work, honey. Aside from the slime just sticking to my shirt and causing me all kind of grief, the blush. This is it. Slime chooses my makeup, picks my makeup, did me dirty. You're a bad slime slurp. What color? Red! Can't even be positive because I'm trying to prevent myself from crying. I'm gonna kind of use like the purple to like blot out my eyebrow. What did I just do? Oh, girl. Look at me. So it's time to highlight. What is it? What is it? What is it? Gold? What in the ghetto? Well, I guess we highlighted with the gold. Guess I'm gonna have to break out my roll-on deodorant again. I'ma just kind of like put some, oh God, this smells like alcohol. So let me put it on my highlight points. Here we go, here we go, here you go. There, I'm a highlight there. You know what? I tried to make this a cute look. I'm still blending it out. Hopefully, if we kind of do like contour it all, it'll give it a like more chiseled look instead of giving like more like round face. Cause like I look like a creepy mouse, and Halloween is over. I'm done with the pillowcase. This has been such a miserable time for me. Oh. Oh, what is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is this? Is this like a teal? What is it? Oh, no. It's giving like teal. Is this teal? Like it's giving mermaid teal. Oh my God. You're gonna put the roll adhesive here and hope a lot of it comes out. And then we're gonna kind of like dip in the mica. This is the mica. Can y'all see? And then like, what? Girl, it mixed with the purple. It's not really giving what it should be. Girl, is this giving? What in the ghetto? I'm over it. I just don't even know how long it took me to get this bang together. And it still looks a mess. It's a little short, honey, a little wiggy. I don't like this. It may need to go back to Amazon at this point because this is not giving what it's supposed to be giving. Like the blonde one. The blonde one be giving, but this pink one is not. It's hot, it's sweaty, it won't stay on. We're just about to become a wig review channel. What y'all think of the look? If you say it's ugly, well, you already know. Play it while you hating on me. With that being said, you guys, let me know all your thoughts in the comments down below. What do you think of my look? Which one should we do next for our Choose This Makeup series? Let me know in the comments down below. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. And make sure you're following me on all. See y'all, look at this. What is this? On all my social media sites. Make sure you watch another one of my videos. I love you guys so much. And I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.